This is a Dyson V15 Connect, and it is also known as the SV47 internally. This is how to replace one of these top end filters. First, push that red piece there and get a good grip on here. Pull and detach it. Set your new one like that. And this one, you just rotate counterclockwise like that, and it comes right off, and it will probably be pretty gross. Go ahead and set that wherever you need to dispose of it, and then put this back on. But if you want, before putting this back on, it is a good time to wipe the rest of this down. I put it in here and then push down and rotate it clockwise, and it will eventually stop. Don't really reef on it and get it on there super hard. You'll break some plastic. Just go until it stops. You can also see in here, I'll show you. See, that will eventually seat right here. Like this. If you push down while you rotate it counterclockwise, it will lock into place, just like that. If you get one of these errors, filter not sealed, what you need to do is really press in and turn a little bit further. So hopefully that will help. I hope this helped somebody. If it did, please consider subscribing. Have a good day.